Welcome to Crafting the Comeback. My name is Kevin. This is my new YouTube channel. It's all about crafting, learning the craft, building things, 3D printing, model building, figurine building. It's just a way to show things that can be not so perfect in a world where everybody seems to have the most perfect technique. I do not. And if you don't like it, sorry about your luck, but we're going to learn together. We're going to have some fun, and we're going to show that you can put stuff on your shelf that doesn't have to be perfect. Watch me make mistakes, watch me learn, watch me build, watch me craft the comeback. Yeah, don't pay attention to this. I know it's recorded on, phone. It's not a screen capture. I'll get there, but this is just a bit of slicer action, bamboo slicer, don't hate. Just getting the normal arc for stuff, standard 0.2, nothing special. This is what you're going to see. Just a little printer action, little pieces, parts we made. There'll be a time lapse for you. As promised, here's that amazing time lapse. Small little pieces, nothing really special. Had to get a new build plate. Long story there. You'll hear all about it sometime, I'm sure. What you're seeing here is some parts I printed out. This is the original video number 1 that I pretty much started doing. You're seeing the big old Bane head. Again, this is FDM, so, quality is really nice. You're seeing some really close-up stuff. Pay no attention to my ugly fingers. Look at the big old gangly hands. The hands are really cool. Nice and awesome. They almost look like some sort of, monster. Almost like a Frankenstein or something. I did have a print failure, so you're seeing a milli put on there to dry. Once I sand that up and paint it. You're also seeing where the supports were. It's underneath where you try to get it so I can sand it down. There's some sanding process in there. For that, you'll see later in a video. And then basically, we'll get that taken care of. And you've got the shoes and the details, down to the shoestrings. Bottoms you're never going to see, so it's not something to worry about. So, it's just really nice detail for an FDM printer. This is just some pieces, parts, getting ready to process, do some painting, sandings, pay no attention to the mess. This is just kind of getting this all set up. Just going to see some sanding options here. As you can see, it's really rough on the bottom. Just going to really preliminarily start doing this. Once I get a little bit more accustomed to it, I will show you a bit more of the process. But for now, it's just part of the process, and it's part of just, getting everything set up. You can see me using my heel sander. Really good. I think it's like 160 grit, 180 grit. Just really getting in there and taking care of just some of the raised parts. It doesn't look like it, but towards the end, you'll see that it's actually a lot more smooth, but it'll get there. And again, what I don't wind up getting done, I'll put some glazing putty on there, thinned out some acetone, and really just refine it. But it is on the bottom. You're not going to see it as much, but with some primer, you'll see that it'll get pretty much ready to go. Again, this isn't a perfect process. You'll get the hang of things here. It's just going to be how it is. So enjoy. What you're seeing here is Bane kind of put together just the starts of just getting it tacked a little bit with some silly putty. No gluing yet. Lots of gaps and stuff to fill. You'll see some layer lines. Again, this is FDM. Pay no attention to that. Just is what it is. We'll get as much out as we can. You're going to see some of the pieces here, and I do appreciate you watching part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. We're going to do a little bit of sanding. Pretty much hope to get all the pieces ready to fit and then sanded and ready to process and get some primer laid down. You're going to see the entire process here, so look out for that. You'll see the hand coming in here, what they look like pretty much. Obviously, I couldn't get that tacked together, but you'll get that ready. Do appreciate you hanging around for part 1, and there goes the arm. Boink, that's how we do. Part 2 coming.